Hey guys, and welcome. Today we're gonna go through our latest van conversion, a Fiat Ducato 2009 model. The entrance as an L-shaped couch, because it's very nice when you invite people into the van and you don't have to go through the whole van to get in and sit down. You can seat maybe 5 people here at the most. We also have storage underneath that we use for, right now I use it for surfboards but also skis and stuff, and it goes all the way into the other side. You can also use this setup as an extra bed or a double extra bed. So you pull this out, like so. Extra different cushion if you're gonna be 2. So now you can sleep 2 extra people here, or 2 children or whatever. When you get in, we have the table, the Lagoon table mount that you can swivel around. And we can also make it so it's at the same height as the kitchen, so you have a little bit more working area if you're gonna prep food. We also have this woolen blackout curtain. We used this because we wanted to look stealth, the van, when you put the curtains together. We also wanted to insulate well, and wool is very good for insulation, and also it blacks out light, so you can sleep in if you want to. Up here we have storage. We have some hooks for jackets, just if we get visitors. Here we have some fake plants to make it a little bit more green. And then when you come over here, we have the mirror. Over here we have the TV unit. We also have the 12 volts, so you can see how much power we have on the battery. We also have a USB connection here that we hooked up the pixie lights to, and we can also change colors and make it cozy in here. Like that, with the controller. Then we have off and on switch. We have this inverter that you can turn on 1500 watts from this and from this, and you also have a USB outlet here. Then we have the diesel heater. It's 2000 watt diesel heater, and it comes out from here. And we also put in an extra diesel tank in the back, so you don't have to, it's not going on the same as the engine. The next we made some storage here for shoes, so you can stick shoes under here, and you can also put the shoes in to this slot here. And then we have a little bit of storage in these wooden crates. Comes out. They just fit, so pretty tight. And then we have underneath here we have the toilet unit, and also the battery and all of the electronics is in the back there. So here with the bed we bought these so we can store the controller to the TV, sunglasses. Also we put the phones in here when we charge them at night. So we just put the phone into that and connect it to the USB. Over here we have IKEA units that you can store your clothes in. And then we come to the bed. The bed is 120 over and 190 this way, so I can just lay in this bed And then we also have the blackout curtains in the back because there's windows in the back as well. So we have also a closet inside here. Right now I store my wetsuit in here, but we also made it so you can put your jackets in here because there's a sliding thing up here. I also have my laundry, and there's also a gas tank in the back there. So this is the kitchen unit. We have the Dometic sink with the 2 gas hobs here. We also bought this from a local store here in Norway, and it's really nice because you kind of get over the sink. And the way we use it, because it's pretty cold here in Norway and we don't want the water pump to freeze, we have this marine pump. So if I start pumping on this, you can see from the faucet here, it's a pretty even flow of water coming out. So if it freezes, it doesn't really matter because you're not gonna destroy a pump or anything. So that's the marine pump. I'm very satisfied with that and how that works. Then we have more storage here, IKEA units up top for whatever you need in your kitchen, and one a little bit smaller here. Then we have a big unit here you can use for whatever you need, trash, storage. Then we come over here. We have used these stop things from IKEA because the drawers come sliding out if not. So you open these up and then you can drag them out. We also used roller catchers, but if there's a lot of weight in the drawer, it's not enough to stop it coming out. Yeah. So you just put this in and then you close this. Next we built, because this van is has a good amount of curve and we pulled it out because of the bed. It didn't go flush with the kitchen bench. So we had to build this this spice rack, and you can put whatever kind of oils and stuff here and it works great. And here we have the table, and you can see we put it up now so you have an extension of your kitchen counter. So you don't really need more than this, and then you have this as well if you have 2 people prepping. And if we pull this away like so, we have the fridge underneath there. We store everything that we need for food. Yes, so we also have we need power for the van in the winter time. We use often the shore power. We just pull this out and connect up. We also have more for summertime use, 100 watt solar panel on the top, and we also charge the van when we're driving with the relay. So we have 3 options there. Okay, so we're here in the back now. We have the water tank over here. You can fill up here. And it goes down into a 80-liter water tank under here. And here you can clean it as well. We also have the blackout curtains here. We made it so that you can open up from this side as well. So you can open up all the way in if you need to put long things into the van. And so now I can take the wetsuit out this way if I want to. And we also bought this from IKEA. These are brilliant if you're going to do a van conversion, because it's very good for storage. So the plan is to put these up here, and then you have a lot of stuff you can put in. Just a tip. And over here we have the diesel tank, 15-liter diesel tank for the diesel heater, and then we also have 2 kilo I don't know the English word for it.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher, yes. So yeah, that was the van conversion. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and subscribe, like, hit the bell. We also made a new website. If you want to convert your own van, you can find it helpful because we put in a lot of stuff, affiliate links from Amazon on this website. It's called Van Build Center, and yeah, check it out and see if there's anything you need for your van conversion, and you're also going to help us out with our travels and also our van builds. So thank you.